Okay, this is how I do my change the brake pads. It's pretty easy. I get one of these pucks. The puck don't have to have, but makes it nice. Little T goes into a slot down here. Your jack mates up with the puck. Anybody can take off a wheel. That's pretty straightforward. So the pads are held in the caliper with 2 pins, and those pins need a small drift like this. You can see a pin right here. You can start top or bottom, doesn't matter. You just tap the first pin out. And by the way, the fronts are the same. This pad keeper pops down. The pin has a little squeeze lock up here at the top, a compression. This is what holds it in the body of the caliper. When you drive the pin back in, this little compression ring compresses and holds the pin from coming out. So you take out one and you pop out the other. This is a 2016 Corvette. I don't know about any other model. And there you go, 2 pins and a keeper. I don't know if it's called a keeper, but it's whatever it is. This little guy here puts pressure on the pads. Then I just push the pistons back in and then pull. And then literally wiggle, 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 wiggle. And there's one. And there's the other. Just like that. So these guys here go in just like this. These are the holes that these guys will go through. These pins will slide through. Putting the first one in. Now if it doesn't go in easy, you push your piston over. And they slide right in. And then the next one. Pull the pistons over. And it slides in. Just like that. Put your pin back in the hole. Take the keeper. This can only really go one way, so it's hard to mess up. As you can see how the pin is there. This goes in front. Goes through your other pad. And then take a little hammer. Tap, 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 tap. You can hear the tone change when it's down solid. It has a nice ringing tone. It's there. It's home. Take your bottom one. Same thing. Line it up. And there it is. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Better. That was the rears. Did the fronts last night in the dark. And there's the finished car. So the last thing I'll do is bring down my jack. Remember to take the puck out. Nice little device. It's less than $20. All done. Thanks for watching.